ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 16ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 2021 ನಂದನಾ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 4 ತಂಡಗಳಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಟೀಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಂದನಾ. Today we are going to discuss about the power of one, then power of degree, 1 degree, then power of one movement, and the power of percentage. The power of one. Our Prime Minister, he thought he is the person who will bring the changes. That's why COVID vaccine started in India. Now we are giving that COVID vaccine to other country. Then our ISRO, he thought it's become the next future NASA. He thought this is the one. We improved so much on the wastage, plastic. Now there's so many things is happening in terms of different prices are there for best city in cleanliness. So it's his thought. Yes, this is supposed to be the one country who is supposed to be more clean. Second, the power of 1 degree. If you change a small 1 degree, it will affect the product quality. Whether it's our food, biryani, other thing. With the difference of 1 degree, the food taste will improve or it decrease. Example, if you are making one medicine, if a small degree difference will happen, it will affect the person like who will take that medicine in future. The particular batch get rejected. The power of one movement. If you take the wrong decision during traffic, maybe you will meet with the accident. It will affect other people's life. It will affect the family. The power of 1 degree again. Think the person who didn't get promoted because of the degree, particular degree. The power of one movement. In China, one particular scientist made one mistake. That's why the COVID, it affected all of us in 2020. Or if the person who's not little extra care, he's not using mask or he's not using sanitization, it will affect because of one moment. One small spark for rocket, it will take that rocket satellite to space. One small spark. Same way, 1 degree changes in construction, it will affect the building. If 2 tunnels are there, 2 teams are coming towards each other. If a small degree difference will there, the tunnel will never reach, they never meet that one. Last one, the power of 1%. A particular sales target are given to one particular team. There are so many restaurants are there. If they will not achieve by 1%, there is a difference between winner and loser. If the team who will achieve 99%, they will not become the winner. The team which will achieve more than that 100%, it will become the winner. Thank you.
ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. ಆ ಘಟನೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಟೀಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ 1000 ಪೀಪಲ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಕಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ದೆಮ್. 1000 ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫೇಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಕಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ 1000 ಜನನ್ನ ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ 1000 ಜನರ ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಡಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1. ಟೀಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಂದನ. The power of one flag symbolizes the entire country. We all bow down to one flag. One person changed the entire movement of elections in our country. One person with his tone, he like he sang in all the different possible languages in India, and he united the country. 1% of your ratings will take you down or up. 1% of the change in temperature of food, service of food, will spoil the taste. Only 1% of restaurants can reach where Nandana has reached today. And 1% of people can afford Mercedes-Benz. 1 degree less or 1 degree more, a child's life is in danger. 1 degree north or 1 degree south, the flight might hit another flight and meet with an accident. And 1 degree will take you to the right level where you need to be. One movement. In that small picture there, you can see a dog and a cheetah. In that one moment, cheetah can eat the dog. The dog can lose its life or it can run away from there. And this symbolizes our hospitality industry, where it speaks about one moment when the guest enters the room, what he feels. What is the thing he feels when he enters the restaurant? When we go to the temple, what we feel? Or when we do a scuba diving, what is the kind of experience that we have in one moment? And one sip of coffee will change your mood. That is what Nivasta says. And one positive mindset of changing the entire world can be done, which is shown in this picture. If you can think of it, you can do it.
Yes. Thank you. What is so socially weak? ನಾವು ಬಿತ್ತಿದಂತೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಟೀಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಟೀಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅವರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಎಸ್.
Transformed so many people's life. Like, he was a one set example, not selfless, not selfish. He stood as one person who changed so many lives, like in education and everything in everybody's life and our culture also. So I find he was a person who individually stood, and everyone were the role models, took him as a role model, and I can say so many lives have been changed because of this. Another one is, I wanted to give an example of Mrs. Dakshayani. She's an Asha worker. Actually, she lost her husband. She lost her mother-in-law. She lost father-in-law. In fact, she lost even her son also. In spite of that, her power was, she doesn't want any more lives to go. So she stood herself alone, single, battling for all the COVID patients. Wherever the COVID patient, she went forward and she treated them. So again, I feel the oneness in Asha worker, Mrs. Dakshayani. So coming to 1 degree. 1 degree here, Ms. Serena Williams, I will take it as an example. She's an American professional tennis player and former world #1. She's a single women's tennis player. Amidst of all the criticism she faced, she never downplayed. She took it as a challenge. She had that fire in her, that degree, whatever we say. So she had the fire in her and she wanted to come always into the first position. She did that, and she's again a role model for all of us. And coming back to the other one, Dr. Seema. She is the first lady commando trainer. So again, this is truly inspirational because she had that fire in her to become the #1. So she stood at this place. Coming to one person. We have our versatile singer SPB and also our legendary Amitabh Bachchan and many more into this. So they each and every moment, they never took rest at all. They were only working towards their passion, and they never took any kind of rest at all. Till today, yes, we know about him. Till his last breath, he was fighting only for singing. Even during his death also, the only music was running in the hospital. Same thing are Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan, if you take it also, he's towards the film fraternities. He's standing as a ambassador onto that, and he's fighting for that. And the fame what we got is through them, I can say. Coming to one moment, Pan made it 100th century England. This is India versus England, where we were qualified for the World Test cricket match. This happened just because of that particular moment. If you wouldn't have got that 100, definitely I don't think so. India would have got qualified for it. Same thing with our Nandana group of players also. Even what our chairman did, the decision what he took for that particular moment, we all are here and examples it over here. Chain of restaurants and hotels what we have. This again, that particular moment changed everyone's life.
Okay, fine. That was team number 3. Now let us move on to team number 4. Yes.
Namaste Nandana. We are here discussing about the power of one. For example, here for power of one, I represent the Pyramid of Egypt. So I think my Pyramid of Egypt, which is standing alone for thousands of years, with unwithered, unscattered, and it is in its position as it is in the beginning of the era. I think it was in 12th or 13th era that it was started. Even today we can find this pyramid as it's a unique, it's a power of one. So, and then coming to 1%, here the lady sipping the coffee, the 1% degree of percentage, the aroma, it changes her mood swings, and then the same thing is being implemented in Nandana foods also. The percentage of heat in our food quality is what is making us to stand apart among. Even now we are competing for the Times of India award. That is where we are standing today with this aromatic biryanis and the meals. 1 degree coming here. This is an aero show which recently happened in Bangalore, where it was well organized. The flights were standard in a row position without any de-alignment. There is a taking off. Here, if you see in this picture, if it had been a 1 degree also here and there, it would have costed us a life of a pilot. But withstanding all this, it was well organized, systemized, and followed. This is where the team players made their extra mile that they went. And that all put together compact is our moment of victory. Here he scored 101 runs, wherein that was where the 1 century of this person brought us the trophy for the team. So at last I combined with all this, without, it is not a single person, it was going to create the oneness, it is a team, unity to be real. It cannot be withered or falsely represented. If you are saying unity, it has to be real. Must stand the severest, whatever it comes in our upcoming, in our business or in our daily life, whatever it comes to scatter our team apart, it should not break us. We should stand united towards to demolish the alien rather than we breaking out for that.
Okay, fine. Take care of your moments. Moments will take care of you. Okay, so remember this. So please take care of the moments, and you have to understand the value of the power of one. If you want to realize the value of 1 year, this team is disqualified because of the disturbance. Okay. If you want to realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who has failed in this exam. If you want to realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby. If you want to realize the value of 1 week, ask a weekly senator. If you want to realize the value of 1 day, ask a daily wage laborer. If you want to realize the value of 1 hour, ask the lovers who are eager to meet. If you want to realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who has just missed the train. If you want to realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who has just survived from the accident. Even 1 second is enough for